In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see who reposted your Instagram post. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. So you may have already checked the insights on a specific post, and you probably noticed that it has been reposted, but insights won't actually show you who shared it. To find that out, what you're going to want to do is first look for whatever post you made that you know has that repost, and then go back to the homepage just like so. From here, up in the top right, you're going to see this little heart icon. Go ahead and select this, and this is going to show you all of your notifications right here. Scroll down on this page, hit show more, and what you're going to want to do is find that post from within here. This might take a little bit of time. Unfortunately, this is the only way to go ahead and check this. Instagram has still not added a better feature in order to find this, and you're just going to have to scroll through your notification section until you see exactly that. For example, all the way down in the beginning of this, I could see that a post of mine has been reposted alongside the liked, comments, and follows. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That's how you could see who shared or reshared your post. If you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.